How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new Google account, and with that, a new Gmail, Google Drive account, and everything else. So a full Google account for free. Keep in mind that this video is universal, so it'll work on an iPhone, an Android, a tablet, a PC, or a Mac. So it doesn't matter what device you're using, this will work for you. Let's begin. Okay, so all you have to do is get your device, open up your favorite browser. You can use any browser, okay? And then go to google.com, as easy as that. And then you're probably gonna be already logged in, like I am, as you can see right here. But if you aren't, no problem at all. All you have to do if you are logged in is tap here at the top right hand corner or tap on login if you weren't. And then you're gonna go ahead and show more accounts if you have more than one account logged into the device you're using. And then you're gonna scroll down and look for add another account. So this option right here, tap on it, let it load, and then use another account. So tap on this option. And then it's going to be pretty hidden, but as you can see, you have the create account option right here. Tap on it, and then you have the possibility to use it for a personal use for my child or for work or my business. Of course, you're going to choose what's your case. For most people, it's going to be for personal use. That's the free, basic, normal Google account. And then as it opens up, you're going to start filling out the information right here. So your first name, your last name, which is optional, and then of course continue. So tap on next. Right here, put your basic information, so date of birth and your gender. Then tap on next. And of course, on this next screen, you're gonna see how you'll sign in. So that's gonna be your new Google account email, your @gmail.com. And then of course you can use whatever you want right here. Of course, it has to be unique, so it can't be already in use. So I'm gonna go for example, Daniel test YouTube, and then a bunch of numbers. And of course, no one has ever used that. So if we tap on next, we can see that we can already create a strong password and move on. If for some reason somebody has already used the name you're trying to use, you're gonna get the notification right here, the information, so then you can go ahead and try another one, because again, it has to be unique, or you can even use suggestions that Google will show you. So that's pretty much it. You go ahead here, you continue, you enter your password, confirm your password, and then you go through a few more screens, and then you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna have your brand new Google account for free, completely universal. If you're trying to do this on a computer, as I mentioned before, the process is going to be exactly the same. So go ahead and open up your favorite browser, go to google.com. At the top right hand corner, you're going to click on your profile, and then you're going to follow the steps exactly the same. Add another account, create a new account, and then you're good to go. And so that's pretty much it. That's how you create a brand new Google account for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye bye, guys.